A dry, hacking cough can be irritating, but it could also be a sign of something more serious, such as chronic lung disease. When suffering with cough, avoid avocados, mushrooms, strawberries, dry fruits, alcohol, yogurt, vinegar, and fermented foods. Alcohol tends to encouraging inflammation, further weakening your white blood cells, which makes it harder for your body to heal. So it is better to skip drinking alcohol. That will also worsen your immunity system. Even though dairy products doesn't cause your body to make more phlegm, it may make the existing phlegm thicker and more irritating to your throat. This may make breathing more difficult and aggravate a cough. Coughing after eating ice cream could be caused by many things. An irritation in the throat usually causes a cough. Dairy products can sometimes induce mucus, which becomes an irritant and leads to coughing. In combination with cold temperature, the mucus can become thicker and can induce a cough to clear the throat. As with other causes of chronic cough, a simpler approach to diagnosis is to try treatment. You can begin on your own. Avoid alcohol and foods that contain chocolate, peppermint, caffeine, garlic, onions, citrus fruits, tomato sauce, or lots of fat. Certain types of coughs, like the ones that result with bronchitis or respiratory infection, can linger longer than the coughing you may experience with the common cold. Undiagnosed asthma or other lung diseases can cause a chronic cough. So if you are suffering with cough, try to meet your family doctor immediately and take proper medication. If you like this video, share this video to friends and family members, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.